So I'm really excited for my new streaming upgrade, which is basically a brand new stream PC, which is also going to be my video editing machine. All right. It is beautiful. I designed it with aesthetics in mind. It is overpowered. It is RGB'd to all heck. It is just wonderful. And we built it on the stream live last night and we named it Glühen, which is German for glow. But despite all that, it got me thinking about my stream and all the upgrades that I've done over the last few years. Which ones were the most important and which ones drove my stream forward the most? So that's what we're going to talk about today. The top 10 things that you can do to upgrade your stream for free or cheap. And we're going to do it in the next 10 minutes. Okay, let's dive right in, put the clock up, and let's go. So the first thing, number one, the first thing I think that everyone should do is something I'm probably a little biased on. It's called a magic green screen. It's something that I've implemented in my stream. I absolutely love it. It was a huge step forward for my stream. So what you're looking at right now is a live background, right? But it's on a different camera. So I already made a video about this. I'm going to put a link over this way somewhere. But basically it takes two video sources, one camera focused right at me, another camera focused at a background. That way I can have a live background. You can see into my world. And when I switch to gameplay, I'm not taking up the entire screen. Very, very flexible idea. I absolutely love it. Number two, having a chatbot. Okay, this sounds really basic, but listen, I've used a lot of them, okay? And I'm gonna give you a recommendation right now. Streamlabs chatbot. It's extremely powerful. It's extremely versatile. It's free. It works well. It's stable. It's been around for a long time. You can put your song requests through this. You can have it control OBS. It's just super powerful. Just take my word for it, download it. It's free. What do you got to lose? Just a tip. I use two different bots. I have Streamlabs chatbot and I also have Nightbot. The reason I do this is because Nightbot is my song requests and I route the audio in a way that I can have it a different volume from my Streamlabs chatbot, which also has commands and audio commands in that as well. Number three, video edit your clips. Okay, you've probably seen a bunch of this around, like people throw it up on Twitter or Instagram and they just take a clip that they download from a VOD and they throw it up there. Good step, you know, getting closer. Okay, but what you should do is just download video editing software. You should take that clip, throw it into your video editing software, and then doll it up a bit, right? Have a professional looking ending, put graphics in there and words and stuff. Ever watch some of Dr. Disrespect's videos? Look, it doesn't have to be that high of production value, but get it so my eyes want to watch the rest of it. Okay, then put it on social media. Grow your social media, drive that traffic back over to your Twitch channel. Number four. This is a big one, guys, okay? Add more media to your stream, okay? You interacting with chat, you playing game, all that's great. Add a commercial, okay? Add something running across the screen. Add something flashy. Add music. Add commands. Add more media than just you playing a video game, okay? This is fun. It keeps it fresh. It's exciting. People want to watch you, okay? Make it easier to watch. Okay, there's a reason that the Tonight Show has more than just guests on. They do different skits and stuff because it keeps it fresh and it's entertaining. That's what you got to do. Number five, custom alerts. Guys, listen, I know I'm a little bit biased on this one. I made a video about custom alerts. I use custom alerts in my chat. This was a big step forward for me when I realized that, like, oh, I could do something really, really simple, very inexpensive, and put it on my stream and it would be engaging. If somebody gives me bits or they sub or they follow, they get a custom alert that they're only ever going to get on my channel. It's amazing. And you could do the same thing too. Again, I'm going to post a video right up here. Click it, go watch that video. It'll show you how to do all that kind of fun stuff. Number six, this is a big one. Okay. A stream deck. I know I said free or cheap or whatever, but if you have the funds to invest into your stream, a stream deck is something that I strongly recommend. My stream got better because of it. Now, listen, if you can't swing it, I get it, all right? But there was a bunch of free stream deck alternatives online, and guess what? You can get the Stream Deck app on your phone, and it's $2.99 a month, okay? $2.99 to improve the quality of your stream? Hell yeah, that's a great thing to get. Download it. I've tried it. It works really well, okay? When you start making money, upgrade to the Stream Deck. 7, triggerfire.com. This is a new one for me, so I just got to let you guys know. Channel points are awesome, okay? Channel points are a way to reward people for watching your channel more. And then Twitch did nothing with it, okay? There's not a lot of things or ways to integrate it in your channel other than you basically doing it manually. So someone cashes in 5,000 points and you take a sip of water, like something along those lines. Triggerfire is the first website that I know of that actually integrates media and your channel points in an automatic way of doing it. Okay, listen, I've used it for a couple of things so far. I haven't gotten it figured out completely, but I'm telling you, go to the website. As of now, it's free. Set up channel points for your audience to use. It's fun. It's also a badge of honor. Like, I've been here this long, appreciate me. Boom, and they get to do something. Okay, number 8, add multiple scenes, add multiple sources, change it up. Okay, listen, if it's a green screen and you in the bottom left hand side, or if it's a game and you and your webcam on the side like every other streamer, and that's all you got, it can get boring pretty quick, even if you have a great personality. Okay, so just change it up a little bit. Okay, move the webcam in a different spot, add a green screen, add the magic green screen. Okay, do something different to make you stand out. Change the shape of your webcam, add filters, add more scenes, add more sources, add more filters, change it up. It keeps it fresh. Number 9, this is more of the inner workings of your stream. Okay, these are called embedded scenes. Embedded scenes are a big deal. Okay, so if you ever come over to my stream, okay, I have a ton of media. The way I make that work across my entire stream is, instead of adding a source over and over and over again, I have a scene called all. Okay, I add all of my media into that scene, and I add that into every other scene. Okay, so if I have my browser source for my alerts from Streamelements, I put it into my all scene one time, and because it's in every other scene already, it instantly updates all of my other scenes. It is, I don't think I'm explaining this very well. I probably have a graphic up. I'm telling you guys, play with this, because that's the first way to use it. You can use it to integrate your cameras differently. You can set up your audio using this kind of stuff. There are some advanced scenes, advanced overlays that you can make using embedded scenes. Okay, number 10, I've been using for just a couple of months now, but it's OBS plugins, right? So I started on Streamlabs OBS, and plugins don't work, right? They have like an app store, which is good. It's really pretty awesome. But if you switch to OBS Live or OBS Studio, you can download OBS plugins for free, and there's a lot of powerful ones in there, like filters and different things to use for transitions, different camera effects. I mean, it's amazing, some of the stuff you can pull off. There's a ton of videos you can watch online for it. I'll probably make one here soon myself, but yeah, you should definitely try out OBS plugins. Okay, and since I still have some time left, we're gonna do number 11. I'm gonna give you a bonus one. Okay, buy proper lighting. Okay, you do not need to spend hundreds of dollars to get lighting. Okay, but you can buy big lighting. I'll put some pictures up. You can buy lighting, okay, and make your stream quality go up several times. Okay, because a webcam with crappy lighting is bad. A DSLR with crappy lighting is bad. The proper lighting will make you look amazing on screen, and when you look good, right, when you look better on the camera, it's easier to watch. Okay, this is a really small investment in some cases. Like, I found lighting for 20 bucks. Use the lighting, set it up properly, watch some videos on how to set it up, get that in your stream immediately. That might be the first thing you should do if you don't have a webcam. Then buy a webcam and then do this. So there we go. That's all 10 of them, with time to spare nonetheless. All right. So I hope you liked it. If you implement a couple of these, I'm sure it'll improve your stream quality just like it improved mine. But I got to do a quick reminder. If you like the content that I'm doing here, leave a comment below. Tell me what you think of it. Even if you don't like it, tell me that you don't like it. I want to hear from you. If you can, click the subscribe button, hit the bell so you get notified of future content that I make. And if you want to talk to me live, go ahead, come over to my stream. It's twitch.tv, FATguyFUNtime. The little thing should pop up here. All right. I stream every Monday, Wednesday, and Friday at 9 p.m., Saturdays at 10 p.m. I have a great community. We have a lot of fun. I'm a giant dork. I promise you that you'll have fun. Okay. So I'll see you there. But in the meantime, I want you to go ahead and click one of those 2 videos over here and you watch them. Give them a look, give them a like. Okay, I'll sit here. I'll wait while you go ahead. Go ahead. I'll wait. It's cool. It's good. I don't have a watch on. All right. Okay. Click the video.